7 weather with meteorologist Vivian Gonzalez.
Good morning, South Florida. We're waking up to a few clouds, and some of them are moving in from the Atlantic. Others are moving from the Gulf. And on the radar put together with satellite imagery, you can see that these clouds are not the rain-producing kind. They are showing it's mostly dry out there. We've been seeing some false returns from the sites. Now it's 78 degrees in Pompano Beach, 77 in Fort Lauderdale, to 76 degrees in Miami, 74 in Kendall. Homestead right now reporting 76 degrees, and in the Florida Keys it's in the upper 70s near 80, 78 in Key Largo, 79 Key West, with the wind out of the southeast anywhere between 7 to 15 miles per hour. Our forecast calls for dry air to continue to filter in courtesy of high pressure in the western Atlantic Ocean, so the moisture is definitely going to hold back and encompass basically northern Florida and into the Gulf Coast states, where the weather is going to be more active over the next few days. For us, still mostly dry into the upcoming weekend, but on Sunday we introduce a chance of seeing some showers and storms around interior areas, but I do believe we're going to get plenty of dry time, so if you have any sort of outdoor activities with mom, do so. Next week it gets even wetter as more moisture starts to move in from the tropics, all ahead of an upper level disturbance and front that will set up shop across the state, so rain and storms will be highly likely Monday into Tuesday. Now, around northern sections of the state, 3 to 7+ inches of rain possible, but here in South Florida for the next 5 days, ½ an inch or less expected. Your boating forecast right now looks okay. No advisories. East southeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas building 1 to 2 feet. Biscayne Bay will be at a light chop. Florida Keys coastal waters here light to a moderate chop, with seas beyond the reef building 2 to 4 feet. Now the next tide cycle will be high tide coming up at 8:09 for you in Key West, and we're going to get a low tide change in the noon hour for both Miami and Fort Lauderdale. Highs today in the mid to upper 80s, 87s the forecast high, Miami 86 in Key West. Tonight, we're going to keep things calm and quiet, but little by little, it's going to get active, and especially next week to mark the start of rainy season, it will certainly be a wet one. That's your 7 on 7 forecast.